Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool place value chart. We are working on comparing and ordering with a problem related to TEKS 5.2b, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got a table that shows 4 different race times, and we're going to list them in order from fastest to slowest. So first we got to figure out, is that greatest to least or least to greatest? Then we need to find which one is going to be listed second. Well, what does this mean when we're going from fastest to slowest? Well, if you are the fastest time in any race, whether it be a swimming race, a running race, anything like that, the fastest time is always going to be the lowest time because you finished first. So really what this means is we're going to go from least to greatest. Your slowest time is your longest time because you came in last. So that's going to be the first thing. Now, we can build our place value chart and we can put these on there and then figure out what our order is going to be. So if I'm looking at these two right here seem to be the numbers that have the most digits. And so I'm going to build my place value chart like that. And I'm going to kind of do it like this. Make sure I put a big decimal right here. It looks like I've just got two spots to the left of the decimal, and I'm just going to label them with their values. So I've got the ones place and I've got the tens place. And then it looks like I've got three numbers to the right of the decimal, and I'll just do it with fractions. You could do it with the actual name. You could do it with decimal, right? 0.001 if you want to. Doesn't really matter. Now let's build our numbers and let's make sure I'm just going to put the first name of each, the first letter of each name here. So 58. So what I'm doing is I'm building around this decimal to know where it's anchored. So 58 is going to look like this, right? 58 and 04, right? 4 hundredths. Now I get 57 and 9 tenths, 58 and 125 thousandths, and then D, 57 and 983 thousandths. So the first thing what we want to do is we want to fill in the blanks. When you're dealing with decimals, it becomes extremely confusing if you've got, like, look at B, Brianna, and A, Aaliyah. They don't go to the thousandths place. And so it looks like this 9, so let's take Brianna for example, is a whole lot less than Carmen, because Carmen's got 125, and 9 is less than 125, but place value matters. This 9 in the tenths place can also be 90 hundredths, can also be 900 thousandths. Well, now that 900 thousandths hits a whole lot differently than just 9 tenths. So we're going to also add a 0 in the thousandths place to Aaliyah. Now everything looks the same. They go from the tens place to the thousandths place. Now I can order. So I'm looking for my least. What's my smallest? Well, I'm looking at my tens place first. Always start with your largest place value. And it's all the same, so we can't do anything. Now I'm going to go to my next largest place value. Okay, I can do something. I'm going for my least times, and I've got two that I'm going to look at right here. All right, so I've got my 57 and 9 tenths and 57 and 983 thousandths. Well, I'm going to say my least, my winner right here is Brianna, because we had the 57.9, right? Then we're going to have Deja, because we had the 57.983. Now, I'm going to look at my eights, and I've got to look at 0.040 or 0.125. Well, 0.040 is going to be next, followed by Carmen. We want that swimmer listed second, so that's going to be Deja, D.